If you want to create a proportional grading, use the function grading generate modify proportional rule. You have an ungraded data point and you have two graded data points. That is all that you need. You start by highlighting the ungraded data point. Make sure that the right element is highlighted. Then you select the point with the left mouse button and select the first graded point with the left mouse button and the second graded point with the left mouse button. The system will create a new local rule, and it considers the position that your ungraded point has in reference to those two graded points. Again, left mouse button for the ungraded data point, left mouse button for the first graded data point, left mouse for the second graded data point, and the system creates a new proportional grade rule between those 2 points. If you have more than one point where you want to create a grade rule, a proportional grade rule for, like in my example, all the button positions in the center front, you can select several ungraded points with your right mouse button. So right mouse, right mouse, right mouse, right mouse, the last ungraded data point with your left mouse, and then the two reference points with the grade rules with the left mouse, left mouse, left mouse. Then the points will receive their own proportional grade rules that lies between the upper one and the lowest point.